up guys, it's me Ayush Banerjee back on BaseGo Talks, and today in this video we are going to talk about business intelligence and how today's day business intelligence has taken over the market, and how this all the businesses are being integrated into this business intelligence, and what basically is business intelligence, BI what we call. So let's start. Sir, how would you explain this concept of BI, and what is the scope and relevance to this whole BI concept?
See, business intelligence, you can consider it as the tail end piece of your decision support system. Okay. So if you talk about, let's say in layman language, consider that you are driving a car.
Okay.
Right? Driving a car without a dashboard and with a dashboard.
Yeah. That. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
In both the situations, you can drive the vehicle. But you know what is the difference between driving a car without the dashboard? I mean, without the dashboard means you don't know how much fuel you have, what speed you are going, what RPM you are going,
Yeah.
how many kilometers you have traveled. Just think of a basic thing, basic parameters you don't know when you are driving a car. So I will not say I'm talking about business intelligence. It gives that dimension to your business.
Okay.
A quality. Fine. So both qualitative and quantitative analysis comes into picture, but it is more on analysis which helps you to take decisions. You are sitting on heap of data, right? So make sense out of it,
Okay.
right? So you talk about any business, you talk about healthcare, you talk about manufacturing industry, you talk about agriculture, you talk about entertainment industry, fashion industry, retail industry. Everybody needs business intelligence to run. Now things have shifted. Earlier you had MIS division, people working on Excel, and then again, as I told you in our last videos as well, that by the time you create a Excel chart, take the data from different sources,
The data becomes irrelevant.
Fine. So business intelligence has also come a long way. Yes, Excel, this BI, Excel BI, these are all a part of business intelligence, but today's business intelligence is quite different.
Okay.
It allows you to take relevant information within short period of time.
Okay.
And to some extent it has become, real time also in certain cases. Fine. So in our consecutive videos, we will talk about uses of BI in different sectors and how different businesses can take help of business intelligence. Okay, so that's it.
Okay, so that is what goes as far as the understanding of BI is concerned, or business intelligence is concerned, and I'm quite super excited about understanding this. Just imagine that fact that you're driving a car without a dashboard. It's super difficult to drive a car without a dashboard. Even that basic information is very crucial when it comes to driving. Just imagine giving that kind of crucial elements to a business, how far that it can go. Stay tuned to our subsequent videos that where we are going to discuss how to integrate BI into your businesses so that you can skyrocket your turnovers and the services that you provide. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one. Until then, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. That's it for now. Bye bye.